How to change iPhone screen contrast. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the iPhone screen contrast. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then scroll again and tap on Display and Text Size. Now turn the toggle on for increased contrast to make colors more distinct. Go back and open the Notes app to check how the text looks. Now type a message and bold it to see the difference. Then return to Display and Text Size and turn on the toggles for bold text and button shapes. Once done, go back to Notes and write something again to compare. Now open Safari and check if the contrast and boldness are easier on your eyes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.